Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to record your very first TikTok video. Okay, let us record our very first TikTok video. It's very simple. We're going to go down to the bottom of this page and you will see the plus icon, and this will give us some options. Okay, so now we can see my computer screen. So it's a picture of my phone because I'm using a mirror to record my screen. So here at the top, you can click on add sound. At the bottom, you can choose text, photo, or you can choose video. So you'll see there are different amounts of video here. So this will be set on a timer. So once you push record, it will actually just record for that amount of time. Then you'll also see some filters down here. So whatever filters you'd like to use, you can go ahead and use these filters, including these other weird ones. You can also add effects over here. So if you just use this button, you will see all the different effects here, from trending to AI, games, and a bunch more. You can even search for effects there. Now, if you'd like to upload a video, you can just tap on the icon on the bottom left. It looks like a little photograph. You can actually just tap on that, and that will take you to your gallery. Now, once you're done, you are going to literally just push this middle button. You're going to push record. Okay, so let's just literally record with this cool filter. And we are going to tap record, and this will of course give you the 15 seconds, but you can stop it before the time. So I'm going to do that, and now we've got a 5-second video. You can record again if you'd like. On the right hand side, you can see that there are a few options, like you can turn your camera around, you can put your flash on, you can add a timer, or you can also add people and filters. You can also see that there is a tick or a check mark at the bottom right. Tap on that. This is the video that we are now going to upload. Tap on next. Here you can add a description for your video. You can add hashtags, mentions, and then as you go down here, you can add a location, a link, and your privacy settings, as well as more options. Who can comment, who can reuse, who can remix, and a bunch more options. Okay? So now, once we are done, we are going to go right over here, and we are going to just go to the bottom. You can also change who you actually share it to. So you can actually share it to Facebook as well, once you have shared it right here on TikTok. And you're going to simply click on post, and that is your very first TikTok video.